This is what's going to feel like if you don't properly warm up your email domains. You will talk, but no one will listen. Let me show you how to avoid that. So grab some ice cream or an iced latte if you're into that, because it's blazing outside. Sit back and let's get those emails landing in the inbox where they belong. Psst, did you know that warming up your email domain isn't just for chilly winter months? It's actually a crucial step to ensure your emails don't end up in the dreaded spam folder. Let's break it down. Step 1. Authenticate your emails. Use DKIM, SPF, and DMARC. It's like putting a lock on your mailbox to keep the email gremlins away. Authentication builds trust with email providers. Step 2. Start slow. Imagine you're jogging, not sprinting. Begin by sending a few emails to most engaged contacts. These are your cheerleaders. They open, they click, and they love you. Step 3. Gradually increase your volume. Each day, send a bit more. Think of it like adding sprinkles to your ice cream. Not all at once, or you'll have a mess. Step 4. Clean that list. A clean email list is like a tidy room. No dust bunnies or inactive contacts. Use tools to remove unengaged or invalid emails. Trust me, your deliverability rates will thank you. Step 5. Segment your list. Group your contacts into segments based on their engagement. Send more emails to the active ones and fewer to the sleepyheads. It's like giving VIP treatment to your best customers. Step 6. Respect ESP limits. Each email service provider has its own rules about how many emails you can send per day. Stick to them or you'll get benched. But here's the fun part. We can help you with the first step and cut out nearly all of the steps with the automatic warm-up solution. If you already have a domain connected to Omnisend, we can help you warm it up by automatically adjusting your sending volumes until your domain is hot, hot, hot. Try it out with the link below. And there you have it, the key steps to warming up your email domain. Follow these steps and soon enough, your emails will be the life of the inbox party. Thanks for watching and don't get muted.